So your regular cactus are quite easy to grow. Should go completely dry in between watering. And a good rule of thumb with any cactus is when you start to see it pucker or kind of shrivel a little bit, then you want to water. So sometimes during the lowest light time of year, so from September until March, some of these cactus may not even require any water to get through those long, cold, dark months. So you only want to water when they actually ask for water, but during the growing time of year, so higher light time of year, so March through to September, they tend to drink a little bit more and do need watering on a more regular basis. But all depending on the size of your cactus, it tends to be how often they need watering, but majority of them can go quite a long time in between watering, and then as much light as you possibly can give these guys.